Good morning. For today's video, I would like to show you how to actually operate the sewing machine. This is a continuation of yesterday's presentation. Today, I will be showing you how to actually operate this machine. This is not a manual sewing machine. This is an electric operated machine. There are two wires here. This one is to be connected dito sa transformer because this is not a 220 machine. This is a 110 or 120 sewing machine. So we have to use this transformer. This one is to be connected here. And then one here from the transformer, we will connect this on the outlet wall, the wall in the the outlet on the wall. Okay, like that. So we will position that so I can show you how to sew. And this is the foot controller. This is the foot controller. We will do like that. This one for the parts, okay? This one is the stitch width regulator. This one is the stitch length regulator. And this one is the stitch selection panel. A part here which I have not shown you yesterday. This one is the suppressor foot lifter. This one. Every time you want to put the foot presser up, this one, you lift this up also. You show it here. Okay, this one is the foot presser foot, but the regulator of this presser foot is this one. Okay, if you put it down, if you pull that up, this presser foot will go up also. If you pull this down, the presser foot will go down and press the fabric. Okay, let's show you how to put the thread. This one, this is the pull. Put it in the pull, spool pin like that, and then you connect it here. You connect that there, and then you connect that there, then here, then there. Can you follow? Then there, like that, and then there. Like that. Wait lang. Stop. Like that, and then again connect that here. There are many connections like that. Oh, can you follow? I will repeat this one. This one, then put that here, then you go down there, then you put that there. Then you go up here, go down again, then to the needle. I will, okay, that. Then you put the thread on the hole like that. Like that. Okay. Ito lang yung matagal na gawin. Kung hindi mo pa alam manahe, wala ka pa experience, so hindi mo pa alam. Tingnan natin yung thread dito sa baba. This is the bobbin and the bobbin case. Let's pull 4 inches long na thread. Then we will put that back there. And then you cover it. And then we will use this flywheel here to lift the needle here. Oh, you show that one. Like that. Like that. Okay. Here. Oh. See? The thread from the bobbin went up, meeting the thread from the needle. So, dalawa na yung thread. So, you do it like that. You can put on the light here. There's a light here. Oh, see? The purpose of this light is to show your material or your place well. That one. So you can put that one there down. Oh, then start. By starting, you use the like this, and you press the foot control together with this. You press first the foot control, and then you do it like that, so that the machine will start to run. Oh, see? Oh, it's running now. Just like that. Okay. When you want to take out the material or the cloth, use this again. And use this, dalawa. Ito, ganun. Ganun. So, this one is very useful, and this one, like that. We will transfer. Okay? Then, push. Press this one. Press. While pressing, you also do it like that, so that the machine will run. Okay, maybe that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.